sanse nwoma sua de eyade a ede yakoma
ene aduane so na nam ekom de wa untimi sua de
na kranzo senior high so ma omu di pa senior high school ko de wom se dodo no anko
age omo ye dey
woma eyasa stage no a
omo no omo ye bo pa
enti ekoba ne se nu a se ya ma ye ne enko hu a ebe ha adwene ye pen so sa rice and gas ye DB edinya de fofra fe na aba so ya ba beka se nkura na aduane a omudi nye na mom se ba ye be short no de wo ma ho de na ya ha adwene se free senior high beba na be short se nuane ne de ka kan wo yerim se nka aba na nka wo ye bi de be boa ma Ghana fo ko ma hen ha wo mo ene na akwa akoduru sei enti wo mo hwe se wo mo hwehwemu a wo no ye no ebetumi asipi na asita ye carry a chepa ntuma afo ne wo mo wie hia ya uwie aduane na de kogu aduane wo bedi ama wo nkwa na etu atwa na asese emfa so bi ani so sa de we mo sha ase anyene ye pen so nyina na bi mu wie anuane no mu de kofie eno na ni hwe he mo bo aban no ama ya kasa ampa aban no wonye na adwuma yi a ana asese nti ena na mo ya sabota ye benti na na ta kira aya na bi mu didi sa adwuma no wa ma yamra covid-19 ho nsense sa covid ya semi me kai semira bi atwa mu e ba se yura no frata mebu ho akonta eme ho nsensem no koye daja mampanyi na adobeka na de enko hu sikasem afro calculate ye say oh ankoyi
17.5
ai wo be calculate ne
say ba o me aso be ka 12 we to say afi do 21
ho calculation wo man na nkoyi ye misa se edie na ama na basa wo man se kwaba ne say ya eno na ya na ma temamufo no tie akiri a wo mu ne se Ghana no ankasa no ye ho nkiri yo wama kwaba ni se ya wusu obi hunu wusu na wusu no hawa wo namu na so bia na Ghana no ye nam aho kire mu ye nam ohia buburo mu ebi ni sa covid hu asemu a ye ken ya wo mu sika no over bese 70% ni akire e na Ghana ye nyusu a ye hunu ba bia sika na fa eti which means say sika no akwakodi nkrofo bi botom ya sa boto no so ye hunu boto kora akwakodim kenta koro no a ye di ko nsuo no a ye hwe aguo no ade na bepem ne ye ntimi ntwia sa kenta no wo ma Ghana 65 years ni enti afi bia corruption ho asem ye be koso aka na
afi bia the general report beba
wo ma ha adwene o mampanyi na adoka kire ye se ketase hye proye dwurim kankan wonim se wo bana mamuo mu no aba benya ho se tamwa ene ye ko private entity e honom na abetumi anya sika ne yemisa se aso na mamuo mu no corruption enkoso ana sa covid-19 hu sikasemi a ye ken senka ye timi ahwe ena nke ye hwe ni ya kenye ne senka o man Ghana ye duru ba bi ye duri ena na no na boa ma ebu hu akontare che se covid-19 ne baba boa Ghana na nso ya na bibi man ye huru ye ho so hwe ena ma ne ye duru ni sei ehu sikasem se si ehu akontare ho ane ye kwa akwaje fi ni ho na se da bia afi bia baba tena se ne ebu akontase ya baba tena se ebu akontase dia se na Ghana ne ye yi o ena da bia
just agosia o ye sika ye kope o IMF ho now to sika ye say ye nhunu no a e no ye be 5 billion crown o sha sika ye kwakope o IMF a eno nti nkrofo sika egugu banka ye se ye tete so ye ma zero coupon ni wantwi ni tokwa bebrebe no say ye hwe covid sika so ya ho kenru ha the covid money was not well looked at. It was expended. It was if say abamumie ni na next year na covid kwa ebenya shim. Share Frontiers Airport today $112 million. Abanya 11 million. Company no be Frontier be testing for airport no. Onunya 112 million. Emma buy now no man juma ye anywhere no 11 million.
Ghana no.
Yeah, I mean too.
Me free SHS ya na meka kakra. Hwe akota free SHS de ya de papa o. Free SHS ya mampeni na nadu dan kwaku for the buy no. E ya de papa na omo no ano hu. Omamfa antoto omonsisie bia omode baye ho odi akonta president Nadu Dankwa Akufo the free SHS by wabra no ma start implement planting for food and jobs.
Yes,
beginning of free SHS what to see aduane short you got that time now planting for food and jobs na ba be so successful bro abusu wo adura bodie abusu wo Asante Achimagogo ma be kai kra nana agogo hene mo ye ayi festival body
plantain festival
Emma Burkina for the cast
be twini nyina
akoi body ni nyina akoi say hey kana your body no mo de kwasa no so abu egugu asa ye mfa nya hwe na mo sesa de koi it akontade ade na e prevent yen say free SHS na ye de bae no yenim say yire so pass one kwada ne bedidi nti government policies bi yemfa enchihyem na create market e masa encrofo
ma me ne akwasi kwati twikomo Ministry of Education or Mokasa Mafo Penny. Akwasi bi mo ache.
Hey, me bra Penny, me jo so kese pa bijapa so.
Na wo bom to say.
Nyankopon ni me di ni ye, me ho ye pa, pa cho se mo so mo ho ye.
Ya ho ye o Sompa TV ne radio. Okay. Akwasi dia na ekoso wo aduane semu. Dia na ampanifo e wo suku. Charles fo amamate. Anopa ye di nkomo awofo ne se omoma no complaints yenya aduane ne ba ketwa bi yema aduane a de nipa ba ko be si nipa miensandi and they what is the situation with respect to food supply to senior high schools?
Omanhene me da se question you bu say ne na no akosu ya mama hu say information management is very key. Ewo enipa bia seteremu ne anamo bia enipa eyede etu. Edi nti na mekasa che se wan hwe ya ne bia asem kano ne kano ankoba ne yi a na akokreate impression bia sebi entesa. Before one more ebe makwan no not schools no be was supplies, but not and also.
Okay.
And you want be in Munez say call ye ma schools no nina there was adequate supplies of food at the ma almost. And says how we can muno ye instances say school boy wuni ya the cra. Well we have to midi mubusebusia. One of the school are not we are no good was Yas Antoine Armed Forces. May the data a train near call Yas Antoine Armed Forces to buy. And my mixer class said because you got in the Biono or a Juma politician, Kumha, and Nipper who politician is different. In the Biana Quasiquade, now some more kind of Yasumanaka can Wabeka. In Ticosi, me catch on Mr. Wow, what does the piano? Wa fa kama maybe a 2-car call for her. I want to know who ye. And check around so let me also for started and not quite about where by a set percent legal in your ninipo. Meanwhile, 19th year and check percent at the receiving center. And your decreased supplies of food or no chama greater cra schools or greater cra jurisdiction in the Munina. I feel so yet maybe this other a friend said by school year what a keep was agree memorial. Agree memorial said also you are near short to the no penny and would never dress this coordinator of penny who wouldn't near me. I was a build or year who video near them or the buy. And then you are no with the media house crown a minute or more pass our meet area. Mene Konongo master headmaster Casa. Mene Casa was in Yane Ewo. Na challenge oho ye se na oil ono no oil quantity aka no na isha ntia na de opebia ye de aka ono de me na ya dwen se bi fi nyina ye wo fi ba ye uti mi tuka onam kwa so ba we ti for sama za milo asa obi ndi uti mi da we se sa ko to bi bra ntimisi ana se de milo na oho de isha wa mfa di ama o tena ye ho ba chire ntimi no ka se ya cars wo kwan so a ya supplies no kwa na ekọ at every point bia nanso kwesi ntimi nyina TV so na se radio so nka se sebi complaints ana e ba no bia emu bia obi o ka bia ye trofo adentia kwesi enko all the almost 800 secondary schools at Ghana ha no emfa na nim kwhwe de ekoso be bia I'm also relying on official reports in na ye de yewo nanso say say there is a challenge somewhere. One of my where the challenges are. Why not? I didn't think you as leadership. You have a quickly see us in the Abba. Then so, me no can say, pa say, me consequently say, meaning school way, say school way, pa say, your work was human as the dear, you are nearly one of the my ya sa anyhow. If you are now will be any and say your food items. Bear eater, I was about fast off a mom.
Okay.
If you will be the bear 9, be a bear 7 year day, echo. There was to be another back on any day, enquire, and the immediate to say a bit my day, idea, and I'm considered the echo. Now, sir, we were guys were no sorry yet, we are granny for an opinion Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, 3 times a day, more friendly D. I am one. Me, yeah, have more same way, then we say. Yeah, kind of sad, yeah, kind of sad. And baby, I'm very fine. I can't. I feel that I am just the top. I will fully be so. Who are PTA emergency meeting? Everybody should send a amount, B amount. We are going to donate now because we'll for the 2 I am sending ever. Maybe fancy, okay, up a mic. Yes, I got any what Guano, Tom Brown, Quano, Woodie, Tom Brown, Quano, Woodie, go 2 weeks near. Ube took alcohol, nothing Corano, Quadine, who no much pictures, and you cannot than the Edibon, which is a heavy food, and I be at your more aid. So, and now minister Thomas Aquinas. May I am catch that of faith is a matter. More, may my mom quote the among my mum embarrassing more TV show, now radio show. When there is a disaffection, because you got a mission be for headmasters number mammy randomly. And the bear is noon, and mammy, Nami, from. The first in Thomas Aquinas. The third was who? Oh no, Miane. Now, even Punyana quite a percent for a class on my fan, which is the second receiving.
Hello.
On radio. There's me throw Bisu voter. I say school, is it Pecky? Yes, Pecky. On also say, oh, Miane, the one food item now, one of my friends said, and I'm also here. Ever. The situation is not as how one more thing to about say, I mean, some of the media houses quite almost the students are being starved, and for me, yes, the concerns may be there, say, okay, but if the whole media architecture and answer reportage is structured on creative fear and panic, no, the it's not about making anybody look unpopular. But the man for now, how my 42. And I don't think say wow, yeah.
Okay. So I go see kwate assembly nyina ko wie se aduane wo ho na bia obu abia ohia 8 supplies na bia 7 kwa na 6 kwa na aka 2. I no so kra mugu so am supply. Yes sir.
Sanity.
Mami from see amedase. Go see kwate. Yeah. Na okasa.
Akonta enti ba bia ko see kwate ndi see ye ya. Okase schools ni bi ho no ma say anwa oil and na short akonta president Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo no nyo no na ode one district one factory buy ya enra na me busa so mo say 130 say
127 in operation
na ye adwuma minim kura no kumase ayeti yenim papa yo wato nso yesi efe Vesta oil.
That's right.
Nyanwa etidi na si president Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo do ho kwan say Vesta oil ye create market amount one na wa ye na wo say
supply schools ni nyina
supply ma secondary schools ni nyina no munyanwa eni ya create market e dia ma Vesta oil
to ni how cry
it only how cry
obey enough production.
Yes.
Every day nkwala ni di anwa.
That's it. One ha no so de ba Kumasi dwom one ha no so de ko yi takra de ne nkra kwa koton because market no ho no say secondary schools no e ho enkenye no ano no ono so onim sa ban de o de ne ka e so pass obetua dan so de bekwa ko free me ya e bi kura bi nkonkotua e bekwa ko shim akota ne nkenye no ano no iti president Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo Addo ne omo niam bi omo de ba ya say oman streamline ama say we anso we nsa ama we susu anko so we nsa no na me aba bedu ba bia ye duru ya ase free SHS no ye hu ni say kane no o start free SHS akonta na ye classrooms any nkonya na any ho
to double track
e by nyame ya dom ne say get fund for akwaje bosia say schools adaya mo siagu schools onya asem ketwa
chabo
ti kwala na nya ba bia datena mana broso say ni aka ye aduane o de planting for food and jobs aba was also the one district one factory aba it emfa ne say kwasi kwatin say anwa and abe major problem nya Vesta oil ne si Kumasi atonsu we
what arrangements am on my
yes ya be ya no de ye anwano ma ye ne ngone ade no e ma ye e de arrangement na buy ne Vesta oil eye e dey arrangement na bia aban ne Boris B no mo ye
Dedo
rice oba ha say
I'm on enough create mono the supply ma free SHS
e for this wo mo mfa dead rice o aguna e mono ye ba be sesa de akwa secondary schools no
and grandson to be grand produce Boris B chicken
yes
on supply schools
secondary schools ni nyina ni nkosia
I mean the market is available
akwanta aban wo ha wo nkofa dollar nkokra sa ne ma we ma bio dollar no e be
tomato paste na no Ghana
yes
mom supply nanso so obi beji contract no akofa de ye free Italy ni Turkey ni China
akunta
e de aba
akunta
obi na supply enkukọ force to schools and untino oye party ni a ono so support to ye nti o se e ma ne kwan ma indigenous companies no ho kire wo mo
akunta yaduru ba bia ya bro party sem so
it is sad
yaduru ba bia say MPP fo nkwa na koto ababa mampani na nado danko akufo do anko nwini 2020 elections
no ko betimanya say
eti ba bia ye gina no enye party sem enye MPP fo nko eye Ghana fo nyina e bia wo de kakra ma party fo de but then with the bigger picture and the ba ye ya economy na say bibia agiegu a bibia say bibia enkoyi
se Ghana fo ni da so power economy we mu me say ye more mampani approval rate na I doubt say 30% cry obinya 30%.
We enye ya chief of staff.
You free any
abedu na office na content ma ye keken.
Omo
tu wana mama. Sa problem we ye hu bie.
That right. Samo Ghana mo ye oil.
Yes.
Mo amoye nkukọ. Mo amoye kosia.
Odi akota.
Eat an egg a day.
Ye localize no. Say bia Boris B ewo ye fa se Kumasi Metro. Boris B ye de Pempe College. Ye de Opokuare. Ye de bia KSTS.
Anglican Secondary School. Odi Ashanti region. Can you supply chicken?
Yes. Fama omo. Na ebia omo district level no. Say bia baby afia ko big girls we trebom atwema kwa ngoma. Ye nkope portrait form abi wo no masa. Afia ko big girls na be supply omo kosia ona be supply omo nkokọ problem ni ye utimia yemfa obi a ono no bigger capacity me support kakra e wa ha sei
Dako farms wa
ha akuta we directive chief of staff sorry no pay a obetima ye wa bra sa de we ye ntibio hwe mama ya opam school uniform omo friend say
UNJ Koneko busa
UNJ enkwara school uniform ni ade a yesi ye kwa print omo ntoma ne hwan nya GTP ni etia ne sisi yi omo print ntoma no na mo fa koma UNJ no mpam UNJ pam a bia be bro no so be friend na ka bonom ene wo mo sa mo
ma di na Central Market ejetia tailors yi be soon say enka mame fo no bebie school a omo ba mo pam ntade no in mass.
Yes.
No mo di ama se sia no ebi manya contract eko China eko tade no de ba eti local tailors ni ade ni nyina no why are we doing this?
Why was ban we ya na de sa niam we ba yo niam ya bobosi akotanya de foforo
local
MPC ban na de sa niam we ba nti de na prevent to say obeboa sa industries way to grow atonso shoe factory akota oko girl schools na omo sandals bia omo se no ma se socks white ne black efe pa
obi a shebi
o de se shoe no na atonso shoe factory for ne ye na mo pa ya mo nye
sandals
Achimota sandals, yes. And I do
sandals be a black, be a
brown. Yes.
Predict.
Akuta.
Ye to omu to ye predict. 800 schools.
Aba.
Uni me madu do o school.
Oh, akunta.
Na St. Louis kwa e ma no kwa mo bro 2000.
St. Louis ne ya santoa ye ko mu bomu a wo mo mro e be 5000.
Kwe we ke he o se.
Ke we ke he ya wo. Ama kwale go.
Kumasi girls.
Yes.
Mama supply omo
Islamic here wa
Islamic omo ye be
asem si wona minim se
omo do school bia
wo
Islamic
how
so I mean about 5000
yes omo number about 5000
ne pam girls near 2000 e man nyina ya pam wanhye
omo check bi omo hye
Francis Trasia na
wa bi akotade ne esi aba ho kwan se sa
we can do it all
say ya ma de no bata bi na tetete ho sa na ye hwade we akotade oh.
Okay, mama ni nkomo. Mr. Kwasi nyame che obi a oye.
Investor oil papa no.
Opening Cassia no pay me watching.
But I'm also
Now bomb to say.
Yamia do me who pa.
Okay. Minute Vesta oil penny neka say.
I'm a patrol, managing director of Vesta Oil Mills.
Okay.
And I'm Miss Ansu, chairman, Association of Ghana Industries, AGI.
Okay.
Ashanti, Bono is near half a region.
What that Roma? Ye didn't come on and who be here say PRO. Ama Minister of Education kasa say oil who ye akwa atwe kakra ewo schools no ebi mu complain say omo oil asa. Ena me colleague back who raised concern said na Vesta oil produce oil wo Ghana. The oil no Adea yedie. Ye busa say aban ni mo dinkita ho bi for the production of such oil to supply free SHS ana.
It does mean ya. My mintia a tier for my Gibra Mutia Manope. Oil no me pacho a cooking oil near Kawasimi.
Pacho ane.
Ye produce be war or my mu ye Vesta oil, ye produce oil pa. Me no say me war volumes of cooking oil. Because abamu ni pebia sedani ni hon komo se aban hia oil na say education ministry no ni ni komo bia se ministry ni hia oil dia ma schools a omunya bi quantity omunya bia se omuman asoti a ebetini a produce dia ma
Not just it is readily available, but there's not been any contact to that effect. Say, Abia, Nampacho, Vesta oil on the market, no, Ghana for more patronize.
Vesta oil, our market. Vesta oil, FDA approved. Vesta oil, refined soya oil. Our market, tonga Ghana for patronize. Kakra. Yeah, compete with other brands near the our system num there. But say abino any kasa say soya oil a very good oil until best for money be my name schools no for secondary schools near there. Yeah, ever ready to do that.
All right. Okay. Yeah, for no see my Francis Atnas and I into us.
The Medima no see, ye no nim bi wo kokoa e wo hen sampa kokoa e wo hen.
Na me tie a obubu sam sampa kokoa.
Awota omo chese omo ye big fan of us o omo group na me video omo aye omo de ba me fo ezo nyansem ke.
Omo share no omo chat.
Omo between Cote d'Ivoire ne Ghana border say jama kokoa. Kokoa sampa kokoa
say o kasa we say we kokoa sa ananye no
bi krono di kokoa tibidi we ni share masum tie ansa
krono di say
kokoa and o ka chem say the nearest town here popular here sampa.
Oh okay and you say omo
so aha
and you say kokoa
eja no pe agota
kokoa for ye chiamo
omo say nya no pe ko da bia omo tie yes ah
omo for omo di amanka ye bobo omo di ma omo fast kaka
omo di mrana
the people of kokoa I like the name
enya sem keto
the town called kokoa omo fast sanu so so
ai
na kokoa any dey boa okay Francis Todovi atrase yehwa kwasi cheisu anim na yakọ yanim ewo my Ghana empuntio ne Adea Akye Abia die na ye kasa no Francis me mo ache mo akwaba
ya mejo so menyo
na umpom to say
apon appreciate so
and so that proso ayehwe auditor general report or the abetu dwa kire say institutions ni bi wo hwe anama omu tuye ewo covid insensem ni mu a na anodin pa ba kupa na say information ministry no atua ne ho 151,000 so mo ye lockdown or the target na say allowance for working during lockdown mo tua 151,000 na if you move from all the target na say all 175% of covid money to them in crowd anyway they say they spend the money. They can account for only 25% with documentation. So Ghanaians are asking 75% they can FA. Ubekaya and Ufuriata Beka said they used almost about 10 billion, 7.5 billion for budget support. Any PPs ne honiema on the obunin contact mashebe yefie. Dom levo enso kasa. Also Ufuriata's contingency for National Cathedral is a big window for stealing. Enise Ghana mine so aniema no so pio. Na banks reached agreement to pay with the Bank of Ghana to pay 5% coupon this year. Francis, Mamintiu.
Yeah.
Let's start with the school, no?
Yeah.
Kind of say
maybe
expose.
I've started free auditor general. Maybe Lanka. We say Uboni eji.
We say coming guys say Uboni. Are they?
Oh, na say munya sem fufuro. COVID ska. Amai we na oni ha. E ka wan asema. Ati bi anya me ade fufuro kra. We say 75%.
I say instead that ninkrata se me dimu.
Omodi.
How many edi?
Every before. Omoda mo no refi say northeast or baby. Parliamentary
chairman.
E go ka say
Onya 1 billion, onya 100,000.
Scatter 100,000 pay. E ma yesu ka se masa. Covid sika. Ye yare ba abrofo ma yesika se yemfa boy ho bra. E na mo chicha ma party foi. Na oni kromo. Ati mi anya ngwa. Yaka aka. After so the general ba be confirm the year kan. Ya de be ka so wa chese. Ati se the pana yaka. Eto da yana bu fi se. E mo peka sakra do. And then this for and a politics na there. When na beto no. It's just a matter of time. And no na ba beto no. And na 75% of Ghana for sika mo de mai. Yenti be account for it. What is the cause of it? It is because omo fi se scanner buy no. Omo edi ye among yourself. 2020 elections. What you just came amu? Edena moamu. Yaw. Edena moamu. Mutimi disika. Cover sika chama molo. Wa onim say yare buy. Sika ye ko World Bank ene. Enti aye ko IMF. Is equivalent to the same amount. More than $3 billion.
Yeah.
Yare buy sika ye nyai. The amount for the chair, who calculate is even more than $3 billion.
It's about 5 billion.
And you see, Omana Yebunu, and yet Nipa Bakuna ni mai. Eti emrada ho. There are laws and regulations governing the Abia. Says who is sika we are a quite way and also the first. And I'm a boy. Say who ye we are say and clearance we also bench. Yaka Chroma Musimo Manka. And how do you pay yourself without accounting for it? Information Ministry, how do you pay yourself without accounting for it? Allowances Benko. Why should you be on Muyama police for? I am a boom now the Gruber. Yo, and you will continue to talk. Me, I never go. Excuse me, call me.
No problem.
Charlie, I never go. It is not new. Maybe just a kind of emissary because you can't watch some kaka. The expenditure part in your queen. You wouldn't know. You don't call parliament. Or beside, yeah. Answer Papa Papa no motivate my Okrumwa. The minority raised issues against COVID expenditure. Yanonia.
Yeah.
At the end of the Biao. The Umpers from Muyano Mayano. The Umpers from Muyano and one on Mayano. And there's nothing new about this. You come see boy. Where you NDC na eka, a auditor general and eka. And state institutions mandated and eka once. The BI come say, and then this is for they say, and then this is for they say. Until you go and challenge your auditor general. Muko challenge you almost way. Now share the Muko see. How do we even pay money to institutional drew yenye? How do you pay money? I don't know this car, a comma, obia, or make kaka when you are Ghana. Who's open rule? So when you said no 1 million doses not pay, yeah, and you 1 million doses who's kind of out here. I don't go to a scan of money, Bruce, your kaya, who say a war, a tear ready say, you have a year druna, that abba. Wait, sebi, Yansa Benewu. So dear Sika, Sana we am Kutia Sky Sika, a command shake. More Dubai. and on this kind of business, I did on my home for swa, or we Bokokaya, ye bomb, and almost a bit scan. Me, why don't did this canoe? Did this canoe? We come to New York Stock Exchange. I go have night business. And your home for swa say, how? I didn't say, I told them we are there to said, sebi, I drained in the petimo. I mean, what is this? Mpejifua ye di amumu amamu. I am a minister someone down. We are there tantantas ade. Kasabe bresa fail to be a mama. They want tantan kwa no mudi o mine eye. Look at business no mudi o mine eye. Business no mudi o mine eye. How do you pay money to an institution? Ghana sika. O chiabroso. So here the 1 million is kind of utria. If you had a pick of it and I are no ho. One year sad, ya na ba for my kra, am be do be bia, am for start here dwumu we ase nyina no, am for dwumu start page. Wa go tue sika amamu. Say you ready say wa go je dru a, na ya omo de bre. Ya asebo ye wo aka obe sad no. Will you let your millions of dollars go and lock up somewhere? Say wow personal money.
Sika.
Huh?
Enyo sika. E wa wo sika wo nyesa.
Anya na make e wa sika obe sad no. Say be about 6 months and 1 year. But me chase come and bro so. Say me ready to go Jedra. Na ma kwa je. They mo tata kwa na mo ye. And they had a gun. Omo sa awa no e kasa mo krom ha. They are still talking.
Now they want more.
Give me explanation to never tata nyina mo ye okrom ha. They are still talking. Where to sumu? On my $6 billions of dollars. Gana hayo. Sika we are the okrom ha. Aban kasa kra niska. No go chase can be your baby. Then roll lock here po. Ye ka mo si bue e ma yenka ye ka we si mo ti kwa pai e na mo de mo be say mo be de e na mahama e na mo de no twapia e no e na ama e bedu bibia bedui mo sa wiase nyansa nyina gu mutum mo de frudua mo de no kokwa nanse nso to ne nyina adwure gu e no e na ama e bedu bibia bedui e na we be o ma na bedu bibia aba bedui and also to be here, sir.
Mamin kind asem way latest na entwaso. Archbishop Nicholas Duncan Williams.
Oni Zudanaba.
Reverend is to the Naba.
Who's just suspended Cathedral?
Omo de asama be tuja. Na oma sama say. Oma sending memo akoma the board of trustees. And they are saying this, that as a matter of urgency, they are calling for the immediate suspension of the construction of the National Cathedral until there is an independent audit. In a memo sent to the board, they are saying that the suspension, that in the spirit, I'm quoting, and cause of transparency and accountability to the Ghanaian people, the current board of trustees of the National Cathedral shall appoint an independent nationally recognized accounting firm to audit all public funds contributed to and spent by the National Cathedral. Auditors will also audit the overall cost of the project. This appointment of an auditor shall take place between the deferment of activities of the Board of Trustees. That current activities advancing the construction of Ghana National Cathedral shall be deferred until the atmosphere in Ghana are improved and the audit of the cathedral account is done. One more say immediately the controversy surrounding the National Cathedral, among the atmosphere in Ghana for the cathedral is not ripe. And they are calling for an independent recognized audit firm in Ghana. So from day one, I almost started National Cathedral. Na se emuda paya na Ghana fo nyina hu se dream ni katashe ana sika ban no kra yi se ode bua no ya mpa se akomu ana nkomu a omu wia na ya to aso. This is the latest. Mamitio.
Yeah, now that's some with a long video.
I
think 2 clergymen of God, no.
Yeah.
At least you're more basso. Or my idea. Because the controversy surrounding Cathedral is problematic. And you feel the year babisiu, but the problem is starting every right from architect or Omanhene Yaw, a catch a board of trustees that say architect Munjai Mami. Yeah, you see, another one I say Omanhene I say why I say Omano ayene poultry farm or remwa akoko we na wa che ose we so momuku we na mo fa barbecue I say kosia we mo fa nkoma we I say ono oye ne buso de just like that I say mrani krom ha uko kan no buko kwa pai. How do you as a president of a republic tell a whole trustees say architect need be me architect any site and sana mranaka yaw no that is not it so mo koye adwuma on mine sika be komwa emrada ho a procurement process if you assassin a wo kwakosi cathedral no so kra no on mine no was on mine no eto you know that you must buy it when lands commission for better transit you will negotiate it. Okay, so Ratri Park more almost say $4.4 million. You know the reason why? Because sen assassino a lands commission for there and to move value in your but immediately no one is school but that is government to government arrangement. It is your books and move it here. No, and you wona we are Omanhene and there was a Ukas and some. There are processes. I was a mustache. Some year to said any other person here. It was a mobede. Whatever shown. How do you, as a president, respectfully, how do you, as president, tell Cathedral board of trustees say would the I am Daki Ward Mills like as I'm quoting Daki Ward Mills. So my penny say a year architect na dear. Ajaide no or no architect or neighbor. Now, yeah, she said $30 million, almost $30 million. National Cathedral, EAC. Block baku kredi wa ya mouse wesi yo. I am na doko tsegalam si amuna. I'm not blaspheming, but I'm just citing an example. $30 million with the 2 million. Can you imagine this? And they say, Adea Akye no omo who say I was here suspended na controversy surrounding the whole thing no. I think I agree with them, and I won't pay so.
Oh yes, definitely.
I think it's the right order.
Obia per se, near my fine. May I support the building of the cathedral? 100%. I have contributed, but the penny for you came. Omo ya so for penny for Nicholas Duncan Williams on Yeni Paketwa. Or can't board of trustees is to the Nabakaho. Omanhene say, "Ewie munye ama nipa kra edi asofwatem e kasete ya omo." The issue of Victor Kusiboateng any allegations plus amount for resignation ne kasa omo kasa enunti adwobre. Yempe independent auditor. Ontnase onkonkrata mu nyina sika ya say kenoferiata eyibaye ekoduri. Sika omo contingency fund omatua ye kan nyina bomu a omo hwe mu no dwirim ba akokra mem boni bia anim monto cathedral so emema Ghana fo anya rehemu a de oyiri sika ko who said the sika na oyi no ekoya de park si cathedral. I think it's best.
Look, beside that unim so omo a private fundraising be.
Yeah.
Me a private fundraising.
They've done a lot. Kumasi, Accra, and other places.
And I'm saying that we Saska win now. Why?
Exactly.
That's the point I'm driving at. That's the point I'm driving at.
Whatever persuade that has come out.
That you see,
if you say Bill.
I don't know. Nyami fie in the easy. A house of God, and I'm a boy. But we are moving into other areas. And a way, and a tourist attraction. It will give us millions of dollars. Me, I don't know. I be my dream kissing me. Who the airport say? It has said we are building a temple for God, and I say it is meant for
tourists.
Say ye just come on, man.
No, but so on say the basilica at Yamoussoukro. It's a tourist center that is giving Côte d'Ivoire money. Notre Dame, Nyamifie, but France for ADD or Humpa, the Canterbury or in London, normally are they.
No, I am saying that.
No,
No, what is the idea behind National Cathedral?
It is the house of God.
Exactly.
You
don't just go there.
They are adding things. They are additives.
That's the second leg of it. And we afterthought. But the primary at the end say, who see National Cathedral for national events.
That's right.
That is my understanding.
Yes. For Christendom.
Ebia, obi nyamesumni. Exactly. America, national events. That is the main brain behind it. But me, I've seen sir a Yamosu crony Notre Dame now there. Notre Dame die over 100 years now they are dealing. If you hear no can fear now, Notre Dame will do crown. A significant for tourist attraction on it 100 years now. People will be jittery to go and have a look. And since that comparison,
so, Mammy, I'm in Quackasiona, meaning Sunin Como about all the Tajan and the cathedral.
Man of God,
hold it there for me, not me bar.
Let me land before I crash. A man of God. Your National Cathedral board members, and they can say you.
Yeah.
And that we must all listen to them. So also be see a die only when you meet them up and that is your personal pledge. But be everybody a home some real. Do. Say a die I see a manyame. Controversies. Basa. Look, nobody is fighting the kingdom of God. Obi no one in yame e kunto bia. Also from day one. Then you bogu ni nyame. Look, what do you say part of national country? Only some more court.
Yeah.
Because omako bubu obi estate go with that compensation. That issue is very important.
That issue is in there. I will see Akwaba. Now, Mamin also on the other Tajan and National Cathedral. Then we'll look at the feeding also. So okay.
My mention on a mentality for that. Maybe I say more party SMP. Now me pacha say His Excellency the President. Now we be a what team be answer and I wash be answer my mention. No kwani nyame an motin sem no bia. Now akoye bufu to start with. Utie do bi no mu kaska asay wo krom ha. Ya na ya. O mai o make a statement bi say sika ya tu ogu no kofu atu sika egu no ayese de adwene bi ani ho ne de keka ho. O peska ya se no krom ha pa. On che ba bi asagleme ho. Sagleme estate Abdul Mahama. Or this $200 million, you could see 5,000 houses. 100 require 1,000 require see. 5,000 require see. It's kind of way. Oh, a clear case of the port calling the kettle black. A politics. And no more person who paint you many more will be on which we are correct. But yes, I'm a chair. You want your class here and confirm. And confirm the way. See kind of way. And one more yes, I know I do him.
Is that not the reason why they were voted out?
He who talks equity must come with clean hands. They say, oh, Pequayaba. And what kids will be so ye be and ye. And you want us any more justification in the saying. Tell me. You want I see a better computers at the amount of that with school. Bako crabai. When on a gabini, Bako crabai. Ambulance, ambulance 200 a mile. Yet, yes, and that's about Kujina court. If I say, I took first a number. On your court, almost one will buy 200 ambulances at about 204 million euro. Away, Chirame. Ambulance no 20 crab by a crown. Near power down on say another day. And you're fit for purpose.
That's true.
Where is the ambulance? Nana, Omahu Munsa. Omosa agrees. Also, but no more Cassette said, will be Naya Bibia and Tokwam. Adumadi aye boni be na ewo mu obi aye bibi na nya me de se ekwana nya na se ye be kɔ ne akwakɔ hwɛ ne agi na ye de sika na ba asisi ene ya ye ka sei ayi opuni woni court says wo kɔtɔ ade wan kɔtɔ ama eto aro che se NDC for no ye useless as was say railway to useless and that's how we behave omu kasem no ne hu ne ye ne hwɛ de wo ye ade ne de wo nya ade ate say no mom na ya de me gidi say ebetimi aboa ye wo ye dwumadi a ye di mu ye wo ha ye te say ye yiska say ye kwakɔ ye hanga na ya say over $5 million ye see hanga no play na ma e ban scandal play ne buy hanga no ye see no $5 million no plan bi ama ye de kɔ hanga no anu ni pa kwa na adwene won trim na adwene won trim. What are we allowing people? I don't know allow conforma o mo ba ke kasanse mo se nyina ade che bus brand ne kosi say a confirm no why ya ko tamale de be na army commander ne kai o say say confirm ya nkofo edi ba ha 150 million Ghana cedi say confirm no ya dwuma pa na nka mo ba not every jan ka mo the tie and betin confirm mo the tie na ke be kun confirm because 150 million Ghana cedis be say 15 billion next year be confirm ha wasi wo mu traditional way a wo dey confirm wo ma bo bibi te say nkofie bi a wo to kosua no miensa ese be say miensa na 5 cedis wo to 10 na 5 billion former traditional for no kwa no munye confirm no mai ake kodu tamale ho no ko mu nam yemu a ya tete ahwan fa chem be a confirm back ho chame and ka say who talks of equity must come with clean hands momo sane is so dark so we need any justification so mo kabi right on the point he said and then more press yes am fa kunya no ma na be me CPP ni kaza say ya me ni problem ai abako so me hana so me afo kaza me ni problem but we want to transform yehu edebe ni ehu krom ha say pen oman edebe ni ehu krom ha say pen yan ke fie ya ye kan ye fie ho ya ni fie ho ya 5,000 households $200 million and then sika ni etua efie ni ensi awai efie ye si ye 2,000
that's what's on the
I see na completed no way we say completed we see 5,000 they will see ye 200 2,000 kwache na hwe sa segla project na hwe wonsem and I work
and they virtually completed
what I say I work yeah what's up bani pesca for side be completed no ya $200 million awie enti ya didn't wo kana say wo bibia wo kana nya sa politics awo ya menya dia me ha me ho say me kasa but I don't know wo ya no politics enti be busa say confirm no where are the inconfirms mo fan confirm no mra nya wo say mo ba ya adwuma de confirm na ye den asisi ho enti me dia ye nyina ye hwe obi ya de nya mra no wo processes no ho Supreme Court no ho arambwa High Court no so ya painting wo white kese pa as puna no ho baby enti wo bibia wo susu say hard no you can move there and
why would the Auditor General Abeka say almost 25% of COVID sika and I are spending now shemwa 75% no ehun kratasem is virtually non-existent.
I accepted because womuna aye hwehwemu ana meboa yet me pretend this year na be Auditor General adwuma na ma no I know they are out of it ono hwehwem be so mo hwehwem ya na ko
Public Accounts Committee, that's right.
Public Accounts Committee ebi ho ebe yesi bia ya money pana a refund this cano. Ebi ho so yesi ya share so onye say. Ebi ho na say charge. Sanete enu abi ene ya bihwem sa dia ba be kana. Ne money bebre. Ne money bebrebe. Wo be kai diversity implementation committee a dodovin madam mo go fa ba ye. Ya state ayi nyina ye tonton ni nyina. Tonton ni nyina bas fa ba ye ton. Guinness.
So you are talking about 2000
basis
we are talking about now.
And now. Answer now, but
diversity implementation is long gone.
Yeah, that is what I don't say a system now, your team no. Say our fact is near tongue. Then will be some complain the factories in Iwa. Now what can I say? Oh my now what can I say? Your factories so. Juma. What better kunyasu? Factories beko be 200 ya toni na.
So I guess you agree with me say Kasana ko say COVID funds no ma ban anhwe ni ye
ye hwe ni ye say won what this basic funds no and I call individual holders ho what I say individual you see a chieftaincy e bi ko ho local government e bi ko ho e bi ko ha what say baby e bi ko ye and o mo hwehwe ye no mo si bi ho ankratasem ne se bi a wo ma nyusu ska no ba ankratasem no bi a wo se nkom ye ni say wo ma anya ni say e bi wo mo si wo ma yusu no ye ana meboa e bi wo so wo mo si wo ma anya friends receipts no na ade
due diligence
exactly and no about Public Accounts Committee no matche na ba bia wo se bibia da no mu da koda but mpempi no ya na ye ho toya na ye refri ne ma bebre wo hwe sa time no exigencies of the time and said there one more disburses can the man confo obi no obetimi abeka say abana first kana ma no obi abeka sa agencies no departments na ade Auditor General assist kan ko ye no obi aba be report to say scanner nkoma no nibuza oman obi aba obi amekan obi ase ne saka if there's an anomaly bi oba bia yan hwe ne straighten up na fe yan fanye eti oman immediately said the meka wo hono no yema yani na ho na fe Auditor General na be yadwuma no ye nyina so ye nsom ne yan hwe na omu nso so a omu wo anu yie bi no omu nso yi anu a omu fama tudwa cause ne mani bi obi wo kwa omu say obe pay in amount bi wohwɛ GR for the year say you know 48 hours it is all could trace can to the 49th hour na say friend say auditor general ne ba na wohwɛ ne nkrata mu ne ntua ya it is considered say yentua ebi o so kura ne bia o mu kotua de tumo ne ade enti yenhwɛ no mu kosa office friend say accountant department o mu more parliament o mu ko public accounts o mu ko na bibi o mu a o mu twam
I was saying that bibi say e magidia ni power wa ban mu no a topic in terms of corrupt practices and in terms of because abino at the NMSCC was a kun one of the key institution the Auditor General. It is expected say the niema obey no kwa untimi enhunu say niema de agugu akwam no sika ni nwunu dodo. Now we're looking for about 3 billion. We're looking for about $3 billion from IMF. Yeah. From what the Auditor General has exposed to Ghanaians, or the Abeche Ghana report, definitely report neba. A query our member institutions are almost so a year no the Abetuja. But because the people's representative air parliament in a public accounts almost so do so ya say charge woman was here say charge woman I was here do emra famra because ya emma adwene no cause as o minor entutu ye ne sene o mampanini na pamfo ebo esika ho ban no enwunu dodo eba sa emagidie wo entutu ye mu etope doesn't it affect your party?
O man dey make us a perception. There are a lot of things that Auditor General no hwehwe mu wie. Na do te said a friend say omo transcendence ya. Me just omo free police. Omo free GRA. Omo free we. Omo hu say nema ne bi ho a. Ne bia time payment time no kra no e na bia wo mu anye. E bia won so ya say ya charge obi age etua. But the Auditor General's report no, I me kan to say ya age akokutua. As at the time wo no wo hwehwe ne nema mu no. E na ohun sa de no. E die ma ne kɔ nanim na enu sa mpanyifo ho. No mu hwehwe yebusem your friends say obi atua no ka then otua no ka dwuma be no de ye so yehwe na sa de na de ba ye no
for working during lockdown
exactly eti bebebe kofo ya dwuma ana meboa wo twa water for de ya omo siska no omo saka ana meboa omo age ana anya sa na tie eti no yan twetwem na fe yan to the bottom of the matter because no mom
National Cathedral
me there from the word go and I this for better trans kan ho asem me anya new mame Adea omu pampa ya omu ba ne say adea no enye yie omu pa bo free the word go but Cathedral no ye be see omu call for hot ne adea no me what they are looking for.
No, they are calling for independent
audit no dey.
Yes, into the funds.
Sabalife probi na twemo na yakọ from say adea no mamonye ani say abansi kan kwa na yedi si Cathedral no answer no ye say abansi kan kwa na yedi si Cathedral.
No.
Yes.
People are contributing that.
Exactly.
Sika no so ediko Cathedral.
Sika the core Cathedral.
It has proven says some of the funds and go through the normal procedures. When the committee met, it came out say Sika anyano kresa say.
Anyano kresa. Sika de come friend saying friend empanyfo no and go through the right channel.
No, because at the end of the day, the amount until even committee we crano Ghanaians thought it was just about 100 million. It came out say about 300 million has been expended to the Cathedral.
Sika mode parliament mode to mu 25 million. Ana parliament anya.
Which year?
At 2018. For the Cathedral.
Yes.
Anya tum say sika we.
Omo
Ana parliament ana accountant general no so etua ma wo. Eti point man no sika de hen.
From 2018 up to date.
2018 up to date, send womu.
It is in the neighborhood of about 300 million.
300 million.
Yes.
Yeah, on your acceptance, you are
No, you see, I can see where the issue is coming from. They say, me, I don't want that statement saying another narco promise there be. Your mind at the say, Akoba say ye see National Cathedral. The intention is say ye ni baby even krano amuba beti sesi no sikana akomu controversies are APM any hu niema no omo fee say
obi aba bonten abe mention one controversy And your allegations now go for you.
Yeah, but that is a controversy.
What makes it a controversy?
Because people, I was say, who see dying, who see who fear. Now if you now who see no, Obia yes, and I'm saying now, say conflict of interest has been raised.
No conflict of interest.
Which is JNS. Me papa could see what he wants. Thank God, Akosh Rajanim. He will have a right and a day with Strajo. Before the National Cathedral about Bontiam say the Sikano and yet say okoye contrajibi. Onu mom ne obo Cathedral Bosia. Wanye peswa has interest. Cathedral tieni sika. Documents have proven say Sikane koi and ometuamano. It will from so. Yes, but still in the minds of people. And the second one also because after the statement from the board of trustees.
Because I know one are the Bayajuma, or my ultimate into an mother.
But you said perception is also crucial.
I am crucial. But what to say? As an over person will be below no one as will be our day. And yet even to an mobile. You were gonna have. Now you assume or mine a freak castle. A Christian Ball castle.
That's right.
For 50 good years. Yeah, baby, I need Yanka, Messia Yanka. Baby, I need these slaves, no, and Kwane Cotton woman, one and years soon. Until the time my president go for buyer. Yeah, what cause you ain't see be a bayer, dear. Yet in your film administrative center, net, dear Niante. And I come there. And I go for this car. And the Bayan Coco Bo, ya the Bayan Preco, a Benzongo, and your daddy. And I quickly can't say same way, I didn't be ya, it may be yano. It was this saying. And for swap basso. Yeah, Juma. And ye didn't go for your chair and can ye that's what is slave trade for the animal. Yawa, President Kofo Kache say, Ghana, yes, ye benya, if you must be a dear Benanti. Yakoto Fakoma, but Yamina may be useful. Fakon 900, no near timid, young penny for Quaba, not cost to no uncle Bayano. That time, Quanom, yes, 2 aircraft, but quite better 100 and something, not Ketwa and Yay. You can want some money and need and go for years, can blah 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 blah, and the tough Yaketwa. And then, I know the idea and penny for them. You could be as no after they say, and I play Miss Yona, President, they come baby, and not coffee near daddy. Oh, my, you ain't you. Gun has the answer, yeah, yet to me, Yashi in the US, I say,
a Casado.
Ya Casa be beyond your papa. The car could have quite chronicle do one time. Yeah, a friend is a non conference center. What is he saying? I think of when you're Bianini. Napan Casa Crank and your BB. Until you enjoy. And I go for your way in your coffee and a non-sentence you. Yeah, I can't call for as we speak today. Ghana Mumia to a bossy. Naka Crebi a bit me a yama on your bay over Kaya and tell you. A best and fear me and fear me and some fear me and Sachi. And your Ghana, yes, sir. Baby, I walk our butcher embassies via your but at your high. The boarding. At the end, dear. Then want to her. And I said, I will come and Omako Cheska, Okuda Tadama, Omako Cheska, and Omako Yeska, and Okudato, and Omako Yeska, and Omayes, and then ya, yes, you are. Yeah, buy no, I gonna buy. One takes millions of dollars here, they are quite I die, and I will call who embassy one, what you will say, Juma or residents or Abibia Kama. And to my ye dear young Casa and watch ya, Yashi. Master is with Anaba, Miankasa Minia, Dankarilla, almost concentrating on the project. Or be free, said Bibi Oma and Ya, one quiet, because there should not be a break. So Bibi Oma, but this young neighbor, my young say, and I am quite trying, or quite training in Ano, or to time I quite.
No, but there's so much talk to the talk will continue. On it, I don't remember who example say, or my etty, or more, or Musun Koya, Adeno, Obubun and Nuagusway, or my Adea won't be a bit near. I brought Bay or what, and you bet me I shame. A Bazia will be obey a bonnet in your bone. Adea and Traha, Indiana, Omo Bay as a at secondary school 25 Biama. E block 25, it goes this way. Let me be. I say 100, you say 200, but so maybe I basic 50. And the discount come away, and the scan call her contracted the Breba Mountains into a car, and the idea do lenter, you do her, and you're gonna have it. So, Mammy Nami, Endi Jack Accra, Embra Nami Conference. Thank you. Integrity Care Services, Adea Akye Abia Ghana. Odofubi Ako here say, Ebia. yare de na to form na ofie ohia care from the hospital. When you invite integrity care, we will come to your aid. Quality health care at your home. Obu onuma ne maame ne dofo bi anya stroke ana yade bia kanato eya mabusua no young girl bi na ware ekra ya gu because ne kunu ene ohwa ne maame aba weekend no aba na afei ede wawe ekra na be ma no kra kwotwempra wochi mesrewa busua ne nyina nkamom. Quality health care at your home. Doctors bebe fia behwe, nurse befa, se wo pe resident nurse a bebe fie, ene maame abetra ho no mo na wahwe no a ni nyina nso so e wo ho no mo. ICS Integrity Care Service ya wo Kumasi behind Cilium Hospital. Kane Valley View Campus kwada so na laboratory service ya be clinic moja caretaker service, dietary management, home physiotherapy or see abetwe no massage no obu okra yade ni ntino ye de tube fa na num ansane amaduane de ofie ye beye ni nyina ma frɛ hotline 024 627 0779 024 627 0779 and 050 300 0018 050 300 0018 Mizo and a mix za 5G upe doso potua be kind supermarket sister sewa ewa chimoda Mama Esther supermarket and Abawa supermarket uko honoma ubenya bi miso drink any 5G at the papa 5G guarana grapes grapefruit ginseng and a green tea normal team say a moundi pedias CP sita for 0246 270221 0246 270221 Power Specialist Herbal Clinic Akosia Eduaya Dokota Akosia Eduaya was ya dear babe no dear obiaje hepatitis atum say so call no man say want to me and free on ma abra want to one dem ni baby crop omo immune system deficiencies ahodo a enro abetimi ama immune system agina infertility and I will come so won't war gonorrhea syphilis broken bones omo the latest a miracle water when need to set there for any cohensu no mo na obo who say yes when you subeti why ma ho ato typhoid any hernia kidney problems nyina Kumasi Feyase Lake Bosom Chekwan so ye ne Jasbro Filling Station ni wi animu enkran kwabenya pokwase ACP Main Road and Atakra den so Anaji Estate Anaji MA Primary School any din hwe animu yawa Herberton herbal mixture any powder e wo dwaso a e ma wonkwamo agina ye ma sojafo no tumi ko immune system booster Jiri herbal mixture male vitality ma bema timi gina ona ne kwaku da nsuro ayire nchei wo patwuma Francis so you ready Masa mi hebio mi hebio Masa mi gina na so o dia so pa from yire na busa no Edo ya heba and how the opa ko busa ya bo ama that's say try message bi ko busa ai Edo ya heba malamix malaria fever general body pains cough care herbal mixture and my upper respiratory however pay by kakra ya futu no ba na no amam for bo wa pa kwaje bi Edo ya herbal tonic loss of appetite TTBD 024 454 4422 024 454 4422 and 020 038 3831 020 038 3831 WhatsApp line here 0555 797878 Bomodina Neko Adea Yaho Dr. Papa Integrity Keepers at Montessori School Share any school beyond your dear Bako or so do Bako School or kuta best and quality tuition Akola bi on ma obu okra na addition no ohia special care integrity mema obi Akola bi on ma oni ni PS no omusua de a obo se omukoja no teachers ni nya brema sankwala no e de omu fan ne mema ma omunya obu ana ne foundation no school a nursery okwa ekra wa ankoye eno ti ne yesi se opese oba na start from crèche no onko kindergarten Uncle primary, uncle nursery, JHS. Akwala ni nru hono no. Na foundation na fa. Tokocho BC ya omre. Esu ebu ahe ya anya nkyina se kwan so. Yesa so wo annex no ɛwɔ Brema UGC last stop ɛne okes di hwɛ ne mu na yɛwɔ traditional day extra curricular activity nkɔla ne sua de a wɔsɛ ɔmutumi di agorɔ na akɔyɛ traditional day kente paa ne agbaja bi ne nneɛma nkɔla ne di asa ne adoa bi ne ade a cultural day so wɔ hɔ yɛwɔ professional day yɛwɔ table etiquette kyerɛ nkɔla no sɛ de ɔmu si didi na ɔmu yɛ awurabafoɔ ne mmeranteɛ kama ɛne akrache color day yɛwɔ sporting activities ahodoɔ nkɔla no bi si kɔ kwada so area hɔ nyinaa yɛbia yɛ number 1 Wesley Girls Senior High School ne nkɔla yi kɔ Cape Coast ɔmu kɔ Louis ɔmu kɔ Monicas ɔmu kɔ Prempeh madam yɛsɛ cars de ɔmfa nka ho presec nom ne ade nkɔla no gu hɔ saa integrity keepers IKS yɛnkwala no yɛ adeɛ sɛ wokɔ school on my own nutritionist ɔhwɛ nkwala no aduane ɔmbɛdie yɛwɔ counseling session nkwala bi on ma na ɔbɛbɛ school ayɛ bɔtɔ ayɛ bosaa bibi ha no ofie well furnished ICT lab conducive classroom and yɛwɔ normal class size so 0547 107 443 0547 107 443 and 0553 408 898 0553 408 898. Take your child to Integrity Keepers and Montessori School. Our motto is divine knowledge. Aperitivo nunumbi na ye kama. Aperitivo you're not alcoholic drinker. A free Italy nearby. It's made of herbs. Francis, we are also many akwesi mama aperitivo. Francis, onoma it cleanses your system.
Really.
I'm telling you, a non-alcoholic drink, by the herbs and the spices and it's a my own trimudaho. Them also the own trim down so now so. Akwesi, Sawala, aperitivo non-alcoholic bitter. A yakuma wa jumaye bibia. Every Italy naba. Open the door support to Apusu Ahomasisia 0246 270221 0246 270221. Yami Adma Yawada Obapa Grace Besa Befia Dr. Grace Bodu and our children or children or children so any phytochemicals a war herb animal stroke diabetes hypertension typhoid fever malaria ulcer prostate cancer and enlargement penis enlargement exclusive vaginal steaming your mouth your chin mark out in koyama wakodo nkuano timi gina kama infertility say untumi nwo Dr. Grace Bodu say for any chair na share ewo Ohim Junction barikese kwan so so and a new Achimota Petroleum Banglo Family Life International School na entwetwe enkomoy 0246 51 8003 0246 51 8003. Dr. Grace Bodu no number nie 0543 32 0030 0543 32 0030. Yadia bay na hawo kan fo ani kire hono ne koje wayare sa ene wayare hwe na bibia nkoso Oscar Magnie entade nie Oscar Magnie mofrantade is Oscar Mag Boutique and Mother Care. Now kopie Mother Care hono a honomon nankani and hega yanin di twanimu adum railways na akɔhwɛ nkwadai niema baby bath baby suit baby coat girls dresses baby wardrobes baby walkers baby carriers baby cream and bath Johnson Babymed Sibamed electric breast pump manual breast pump bottle warmers baby food Aptamil Infamil Similac baby hooded towels edition kwala kama baby shawl car seat walk and swing rockers ahodo nyina da. And yet, dear family, no, muko shopping na. Papa Jin men's suit, or ladies' dresses or bar, ladies' bag, perfumes, both unisex, ladies' clothes containing to my outdoor, bracelet, knee chain, watches, outdoor, tops, skirt, outdoor, men's shirt, chinos, outdoor. Nina, no, Oscar Mag Boutique and Mother Care. Prepare the second street, the so command station, you anymore. KJT, any Otum 4 statue, blessing housing you anymore, and an uncanny and egg and the latest, a doom railways 020 812 0280 020 812 0280 and 024 599 9882 from Cecilia 024 599 9882. Francis coming.
Yeah.
Yeah.
MPP Ababa how many Samichio Sapak or magazine
Sapak we geneso
on a killer or room
major almost
so much yeah MPP Baba how many years
they are going to 7 years now
7 years
yes
6 or 7 whatever the more yeah second and to be anywhere basic or maybe you're tenure of office 8 years and I'm a boy
yeah
you are sitting down here talking about settlement talking about ambulance and confirm what to do Muti ha eka segleme and confirm ako adea. It was only irresponsible government who been in government for 7 good years and still be blaming the previous government. Take action against those people. Take action against them. We are the car. Then you are playing the equality role. Why you BT and to me ya mamayanka. That was it your work room and some men are one come from my mama. Then I buy home. You doubt you think we should shut up to please you. It won't happen today, it will happen tomorrow. SNN Chilada. Sir, Mono, Nana don't know who when he be our Okruma. No matter 10 or your Okruma, moo.
And don't use words at that time.
None in my time.
No.
Never where I cause Okruma.
Let's be civil. Enema and ya, but time day.
None more in that time. Dear Cos led by the president at that time. Very ugly things I cost for my way. And I'm on for Sika or more episode with Jamus or Montpellier the other anytime. And it's not ugly. You cannot was some and my cannot was some. So I don't kind of answer the 2 o'clock today. Ya woman and by me apa, because who Tamana who criticize your mamma, and it only friend of Kroma. Ya criticize who for those who won't chance, and I be behind, and if I call rise to Shinada. We are and kwa and we are getting new. Those mandated to work for a mine or more. I must say, Sikana or somebody corner, I'm for be pa. It is not by your explanation. I Ghana for look, Ghana for my form, and your explanation, our MPP explanation, and on Mujia Tumu. They are middle class people are on Munim Day. After Rollins time, San Mosian now we've improved upon our various legislations. Omunyo Mujia Tum say, and I was here. And then you explanation of Babeka trying to water down the issue and then the Kakasamu. They are saying it. Auditor General say Sikano 75% properly is not accounted for. So what is your point? Auditor General and Kasa and yet an extension of MPP party office. It is state institution mandated organization. So what? Omaka also want to say. You are here talking about Bass Brandy. You are here talking about confirm. I can't believe what this can do. You are in government. Me question. The honest law. Na more opposition because I be no Uber by Muno Adea. Nema ya koso okrum ha na muni opposition. It is revealing every now and then. Who can e-bloggers them? E-bloggers said that yo. Agenda 111 akosi saying. Agenda 111 I don't akosi saying yaw. Who can e-bloggers? Na e-blog yes you won. Say we was some go school.
Yeah.
Agenda 111 akosi saying. What is it? Agenda 1 what is that to show?
Utie Omanhene Yaw do Boakye o. Your man in the morning.
Yen swa sa yen fie no enko anim bebreba. Yen swa yen kidakati for sa. And stop this blame game.
Sompa FM.
Now, Reverend man of God said, I'm investigate here. Kwesi che oso ntia se. Someone die. Amunya there. Unimwa, they are in better position to speak to this issue than who NPP communicator because they are board of trustees members.
Yeah.
Constituted by Nanado, the president of the
Sompa
Republic.
FM.
Until they have a major stake in it than you. They are board of trustees. Dr. Williams. Any reverend to Anaba. We are board of members. Nanimana air cost on ya. Is to Anaba that he would most buy. What the candidate? So I raise concerns. I want to say, and to Najuma to war. Whereby also way. Now it has got to be a drone say, we are board of trustees now, we are reverend ministers. Almost in Yamana air cost on air time, Sebi. And yet, the maid surrounding it say, adwempo a ɛwɔ nipa ni bitimu no enye ema oman no. It's not going to organ well for the movement of the mind no. And they should pause it and investigate. Where's who go kwapai? Where's who go kwapai? And then I don't can answer. Young body chamso. Young body chamso. The Moabu party MPs cry, aka kramusi bue, Aden, Yanyamude. I don't can answer. Is it not touchable? Aden. Yakana Samusi bue, Yayamusi bue. Moamu MPs say, Nanado, finance minister, one you know. Adam boy out. After Yakamusi way. Men of God, they say, Yan Poso Jumano. And the Mamukasa. Who there wouldn't know Fanya Juma. That is not going to happen. We have a republic to build. We are not building MPP party office. We are building on my Ajapa dear. And they say, maybe a Chamuna Obi got up Obi Kasa and so what. Now someone will call Chrome Ebini. And someone will call Chrome Ebini. Kasa is part of the democracy. And it's a rich Sanadria, Germanic Sanadria. You equally have rights also to express your opinion. Man of God, like Casano, which is a Ubunyo, so it must go on. It is not going to move on. It is not going to move on until the right thing is done. Every person must be accounted for in a right manner. Yeah, asamwe bokru. Sa munchain. Juma dienu, sika bebia febiano, account for it.
Feel good.
Say $30 million. Almost $30 million. Yeah, eskakitwa. Block bien wa peja amna doko ene wo. Yaka musibui, emayankasa. Hwe. Se krono enye na dia. Na don't criticize him today, or criticize him tomorrow. It will happen. Obien wa man for the wadi. Why ya na nye o man no mu a. Yebeka. We pay him. You pay him, I pay him. What are you talking? Na don't need am for munyi ska be party office o. E Ghana posika and do chombuka. And for the fact say obi criticize you obi no. And no criticize you obi. And they criticize you obi also won't say. Who say the Yebeka ya dwen in a rightful manner because the Kenya no embobra.
Mo no si ma me na me ti ono so ska.
Lost na wo ho no na e di ye adwuma. Emra na wo mba mu enwo adwuma na ye ka. One of the democracy there. Kama me ka bi emra da ho. Enti emra no eno ho asem na ye ka. Segleme. Ai. E da na ye na gu wo no. Mo ba na se mo nya na se mo investigate. Go ahead and investigate. Go ahead and be no kruma. Call the minister. Maka se mo no court. Ago say
he's in court.
So what? So what is it? Now they be court incident. Open court and so what? Ambulance, so that is your duty. Go ahead and do it. Go and investigate. Go and investigate. In the same position, you will pay for every person. No, na go saying now. Sika locking now. You will come and tell us. Say what personal property no be sir. So be it.
Mami Tiakwasi on this. I was
here. Obi atra dem waka say me criticize Nanado. What is statement this sir? Bibi sir. Enti na bi o de no na tell say. Say o criticize Nanado. Papa na be so oboni din na de kan wasem. Me metra dem waka say me criticize Nanado. Ubetimi a criticize. O start criticize ye no nyenne. But they be all criticize na wotu atwi. Ayade a eda ho ye nyina no ye nim. De ekoso o man yimu. Na no man yim gidi say kasa said on one kasa kai no say part of democracy na meboa. Enti wo betra ha. Na wo ka tell me say na nipa no ye bibia nkoche no. Wo be ka tell say kofo ahwia Ghana gold. Wo ba what me chi no. Oh, anu na ma hypocrisy no. Intellectual dishonesty no ebem. That is where my problem is with them. Wo say na yankoche obi o. Wo betra akonwa so mfie nwotwe. Wo ka tell say je kofo o yahwi wa hwia Ghana gold nyina koton wadi. Wo pa ye mfie nwotwe. President kofo what me friend no kro bisa say wa hwia Ghana gold.
No, but said Fifi car say it was political.
And I make it work out and no person what you're saying. Now when obi a yes won ko jiska $200 million and ko see a dying. No want me ko see dan no near the Nigeria quarter. Mo betra ka say me media no na nya correct. Asem bia watch as bia no we ye. Ba bia we wo court no say te bia court the judgment beba. It is what one animal ayanka. Omanhene iti of agenda 111 no o mo ye mo achi wo mu. Na ye o mu ya. And now you can say, if they care to know agenda 111 ekoso e wa Ashanti region ha ya mo ba ye no hospital ba kokora ni wa mutimi si ya de mo my Ghana enti ya cast ya agenda 111 no mo hu se dwumadie ne koso na ye mo ya as we speak today
because they built some hospitals.
Oh, why? Some hospital na
Oh, Dodowa, they built Dodowa.
Me come Ashanti region has Dodowa.
Come, so say Osima Ghana.
Ghana no why? Dodowa ba ko pe why? Yeah what?
But they reconstructed 37.
3157.
Legon Hospital.
Omai mame kasa.
Rage Meridian.
Omai mame kasa. Ashanti region ha.
Okay, Ashanti region.
Omo hospital na nurse ni gyina mu. Ana ya ka
Ashanti
yes, all we ka tell say. Ana agenda 11 ba ko kwa nya adwuma. Ma line no bi. Ana ode na ma bontre. Mame kasa tiefo no for purposes of some comedy ayedi. Yan hu say ena trade. Wo fa ho dwuma yi a wo be ko si wo ye bosso as we speak today. Eye adwuma. Kwa wo ko se si a wo benya bo aman afija wo se si a ye kasa Insuta Secretary Center wo ho. Se si a ye kasa wo ko manso adubia wono ye ho adwuma makranso wo ho. Kwabna kwa obuase. It is there. Message America bia no ko YouTube na bo update no.
I see omo bosso.
Bebre wa ye boss we.
Omo ye ho adwuma.
O ye ho adwuma. Utie. Wasi anya hwe.
Osi agenda 111 away.
Ana me check
na tell the baby e wo. Any baby stages of
111. And yam for ya no na kasa.
Okay.
Pictures ning na wo ha wo time mo behwe bia metimi amamo. They make a join some manson kwanta man kranso benya bi ho. Obuase kwabna kwa benya bi kode obenya bi o asi wa benya bi akrofom obenya bi adu jama ene ya yekase obenya bi adanse asokwa bi ho asokwa mampon no munya enya ene bantuma nyina hini obenya bi ho as we speak today hospitals across Ashanti region are 32 including the Vanet projects oba agenda 111 na Ashanti region enya makomako 16 ye ho adwuma sesia eto kasa unko ho ana nteze ni ho Bibia Makabia no be opeso hu no you can log on to your YouTube na fe wabo update baby mama nshini nyina na be show baby wo hospitals aka hu ayi adwuma as we speak man so kwanta wo be hwe twede wo be hwe sabro no mu drobonso ana swame dia mu haya that's a hospital project going on as we speak today and woni mu ana ntese ni ho and wo be chance kasa de ni ho na agenda wa ni no wo be che ye de odi ma ye wo ha yes so musu biewo anto na doso ana bibia ban ye bia no wo mo adwene ka twom se nye yie ahoya na ka ye den ye hospital so otiminya problem ho why should you have a problem with a hospital yesie amanatimi aboa edu time bia obutimi ka se na hospital wo ha se kra ye nya siwe kra nye ni esiwe eti so amefo ntwen amiensi kwa ngoma de nwia ansa ne abezi so ame wabra ni nyina ye project aye koso abetimi aboa abane se ye wo ye ene wokwa baby te say onwe awona abane yes wo ye mental hospital no asasine ne bibia ye ready e project ka abane agenda 111 ho hwa baby te say konfo anochi maternity block ye buagu mo betena ho Ghana nya 44 years and anya 65 years mo tena konwane so for 27 years and then si wo for 44 years obi and then anado na be buagu and then obi a wo bantuma bia nim utwa wo apagya up to the 6th or 7th floor. What the catch and say Bibian Conso? For the end afraid until the end of the year.
Thank you very much, Akwasi. Let me activate the lines. You want to hear from the people. Also, I
do say Siano. And I will cross our trauma center on your bossy. On my from my reporters, no report to Omunko Chamro. Not your baby on my day, or my do say, Yakase. After quarantine facility, yes, we are hospital.
I was in the same thing, hospital. So, Mami Kwa Omano so 0551 931 931.
Hospital better, yes, you're okay, and that's the better.
Oh, right, you're okay.
That's the Juma. So MPP NDC now. Hospital. Hold up. Tepa. Tepa Bekwai. NDC NPP baby. Mami Kwa Omano so. Hello, good morning. Pacha Moye di Mami. Can I have hello? Your microphones are off. Thank you. Good morning. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
I was Francis Macho. I'm all line so meet you. I'm into an pay.
Maybe as a NDC league as I say ya. Ayana Emma Papa Casa, I want to Ghana home. What I done a woman in the floor, the young Colabian said or no Wakano, NDC party. Some of you got to Damra.
Okay. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Oh. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Pacho Wendy.
Mr. Joe, I forage and go so run about.
Mavin Tio Obajo.
Yo, Papa, me Papa for 60. Why are dear Papa? NDC for one. One more than bar, Ghana, 4 miles, you did I want 3. Satam toast before the judge for you now. What that they can go with DKM. And yeah, bank ya war, Mubasi, 1 mile. And Pa, one year, and my bank me in a column say, and then judge for you, and I say, and then this is for Bar, Remover Cate. I want to tell no one of them to Ghana photo.
Okay, thank you, Obajo. Hello, good morning.
Doctor Omanhene, Doctor.
Mavin Tio no pay. Mitchell Sonana.
My name is Doctor Official. You'll be Ubra in the Chiawati. We are saying, Obia, as a Kakufa, and I could find why you be papa. Why you Madonna for your mind? Yes, sir. I'm not a crack. In Germany, nobody can have more to the stress. Ghana for your mind. Your papa, one time, I could find what you every time you are not what is up with them. You can be ministers. Until I have the other, you're ready to for this on my cane, and then it's one of the 12 animals. That's what I'm saying.
All right, thank you. Hello, good morning.
Omanhene appointment today.
Nyame adumo na so
Nyame adum pa.
Mami ntiwe.
Omanhene kasa pe aka.
Kasa minia.
Dedi kama mi mo mini NDC ni na baso pa. Aka no kole. Omanhene sabe no kwo ho a mi kan kire Ghana fo. E ma pen na do dan kwaku fo ado. Nei sema o ka kire Ghana fo. O ka kire Ghana fo si discuss ko de yen sonuhwe na obeba beboa magana afaneto ma pesra no ana wutie na do dan kwaku fo do ni speech a sesebre wonye akunya no wo ka kire Ghana fo titiri ekuru mo santiman wo ka kire ni a eje ni pa na nkata wo yemienu te no mo ka kire se e die na wo ye no santiman mpacho wo do mama wan kasa unam kedetia so hu kedetia project no
ha
ona masemu hu do mama ne san oduma mini kasa wo say agenda 111 agenda 1111 wo kana doctor pe na ye aduma ho utu foundation no wo ye aduma
okay, hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Pacho Handy.
Richard in Omanhene.
Richard, you too.
Me team pa, especially you ne atapoko ne Jeffrey Asare me team pa.
Thank you.
Me ni anum penifo me ni omutuwe. Me sere omo Omanhene. So bi ba fidie kuso a me sere insulting no ewo ye man mu penifo a penifo mu di ani mu Omanhene mu me sere. Ti eche adwena yen che adwene in manual way. But insulting die avrobasheni adwene die me sere. Ye tso ni die mo mu.
Yo, Matemedasi. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Pacho Handy.
Pacho, you feel me, Jamanu?
I jamanu my into anope.
Yo, Omanhene. And no question pa anti MPP amomo obu no Ghana hai. Inti ni pa kana kwa na eden. Anti na sen ani na say school kwa mu hia. Send the power of school, the not the school who are wako. Now, Tim Manabu might say the Ubu Maya. Oh, one cannot pass, said the Ghana city as NDC, and now what? And this war sounds them way a course, and I can't some like a shaka, say, good so.
And then you can not address them. Oh, in fact, no man can acquire Santamai.
Yo. Asantuma beka no kwa di jumedi ni si ameda kwesi che yase namada Francis Dodovin suso ase jumedi a ye ne omudi anope wade a che bia so ekira eye ukwa de ekira e kawasem bia homa no tum now the video WhatsApp video is 0548 931 you can send your video ahead on the comments you want to add to the program. Efa oh my gun and put you in the echo. Number is 0548 931 That is the WhatsApp video. You can send it straight away. At this moment, I say thank you on behalf of the entire crew headed by the chief executive producer Bright Entry, ably supported by Kosia Sumwa, Kukua Jando, and the entire membership of the Adea Akye Abia team. We say thank you and have a wonderful day. It's time for Full Time with Abu Dhabi.
5G be energy drink where if you tire power, if you get the 5G, it go help you. Miso be mango drink, it get very energy, it get vitamin A, vitamin C, the B6. If you skin problem, it go feel help you, it go feel help your immune system too. No worry, my brother, I know say you tire. Everywhere, every international shop, you go figure the 5G where you go feel drink. If you chill where you take camera, you get a ginseng, you go feel to help you. If you dey go long journey where you won't no problem, make